Question number 8. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of word equation using all letter exactly one? Now today I am going to discuss only those word problem where no letter is in the repetition, right? Now you have equation word. Count the number of letters. The number of letters are 8 and you have to use each letter exactly once, means the repetition is not allowed, and we have to use all the word. So answer will be 8p8. Out of 8 you have to select all the letter. So this is 8p8. So answer will be 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 factorial. So this is 8 factorial divided by 0 factorial. Now put the value of 8 factorial. It's 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. So answer is 40320. Multiply it and you will have your answer. Next question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed from the letter of word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated if the first part 4 letters are used at a time? First you count the number of letters. Monday, total letters are 6. Again you can check no letter is in the repetition. Now for first part we have to use 4 letter at a time. That means out of 6 you have to choose 4 because you have to form 4 letter word. So this is 6p4. 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial. This is 2 factorial. Now again you can write the 6 factorial as 2 factorial into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So on multiplication your answer is 360. Second part. All letters are used at a time. So that means 6p6. Out of 6 you have to select all 6. So your answer is 6 factorial. Put its value. Answer will be 720. Third part. All letters are used but the first place is a vowel. Now we know that whenever there is a condition we are going to start from that place only. At first place we can write only vowels. Now the word is Monday. So vowels are O and A. That means there are 2 vowels. So total options are O and A too, but we have to fill only one place. So option for filling first place is 2p1 into. Now remaining places there is no condition. We have 5 letters and 5 place because we have to use all the letters. So the ways are 5p5. Again we are using permutation in these question in word problem because the order is important, right? So this is 2 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into this is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 5, that is 0 factorial is 1. So you have 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Now 2 factorial is 1 into 2. 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So on multiplication your answer is 240. Now I am going to discuss example number 14. This is also very important example. Find the number of different 8 letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of word daughter so that the first part all vowels occur together and the second part all vowels do not occur together. Now write the word daughter. Count the number of letter 8. Again no letter is in the repetition. Now you have to write the arrangement where all vowels are together. The vowels are A, U and E. That means we have 3 vowels. So 3 vowels, so remaining 5 will be consonant. Now we consider these 3 vowels as a single letter. So 1 plus 5 remaining 6. Now these 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 ways, right? And the vowels, like you write in first place A, U, E, let it be first letter. Then another arrangement A, E, U. Next U, A, E. Then U, E, A. Then E, A, U, E, U, E. That means at every place of these 6 arrangement, whenever these vowels are going to change their position or interchange their position, you are going to have new arrangements. So we are writing these 3 vowels. They can be arranged in 3p3 ways. So the total ways are 6p6 into 3p3. 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 6. 0 factorial is 1. So this is 6 factorial only. Same here 3 factorial. Put values. Your answer will be 4320. The second part, all vowels do not occur together. We know that in total arrangement either vowels come together or not come together. So the total will be come together plus not do not come together. So from here all vowels do not come together can be evaluated as total arrangements minus all vowels together. Now total letters were 8. You have to use 8. So this is 8PA minus from here where the vowels are together is 4320. 8 factorial minus 4320. 8 factorial is this. Multiply it. Your answer will be 40,320 minus this 4320. So on solving it, your answer will be 36,000.